think I was afraid that if I didn't keep her, I'd always be alone. I hung on to the thought that my baby would be my family. Someone who'd never leave me. And that no matter how hard things got in life, I'd be happier because I'd have someone else.
No, Junie, don't! Wait, no! I'll get there! You'll make it through, Junie!
Please don't come, just stay there! If you don't survive, my baby will die too! You said the most important thing was saving my little girl. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Watch over her.